Hi guys, if you want to move taskbar from center to left side of the screen in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. To move taskbar to left side of the screen, first of all right click on the taskbar and then select taskbar settings. And now here scroll down and click on taskbar behaviors. And now here you will see this option, taskbar alignment. Simply click here and here select the option left. And now your taskbar will be moved from center to left side of the screen. You can see. Now you can access the start menu and Windows search from the left side of the screen. You can see. So from the taskbar alignment option, you can decide where you want to keep your taskbar, either in the left or in the center. You can choose it from here. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily move the taskbar from center to left side of the screen in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.